it's Kerry. Today the family are visiting the aquarium. I really like the Playmobil aquarium and I'm adding some of my own fish and sea animals as well. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. This is one of my favourite viewing spots. You can see a lot from here and there's a special place here where you can look in as well. A brown and orange sea turtle with a streamlined shell for swimming through the water and a purple fish as well. I really like the orange seaweed down there, that looks really good. And now an orange clownfish, a blue tang, a pink shell, an orange octopus, and this is so much fun. It's a squirter, a penguin family, a blue dolphin, a yellow and black fish, a purple dolphin, some orange coral, a great white shark, a penguin here, and this is mother penguin, and father penguin, an Arctic fur seal, a humpbacked whale, a blue whale, a whale shark, a yellow seahorse, a purple shell, a red fish, a little green seahorse, a blue seahorse, a Moorish idol, a penguin, a walrus, in you go, and here's a sea lion, a pink starfish, a green dolphin, a red lobster, come on, a pink octopus, a manatee, a clownfish, a cowrie shell, an angelfish, a dolphin, a hammerhead shark, a blue starfish, a green shell, a pink shell, a black manta ray, and a blue sea turtle, and a treasure chest full of gold coins, and a little white shell. This is such a fun place to view the sea creatures. I hope you enjoyed this video, learning sea animal names. I know the family had a good time here today. So much to see and do, and I love all the beautiful colours. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.